users, we are using the patterns to create the designs on the surface. So we can write anything, generate a new design here. So let's create further design shapes as well, and also have the design here. So we will use the further designs. There it is. We will use few more shapes.